When I stepped into the role of trustee, I thought the hardest part would be all the legal stuff. I was wrong. It's the paperwork, organizing the bills and debts to be paid. Most professionals don't emphasize this enough. Organizing the financial records early is one of the highest leverage things you can do in the first 30 days as a trustee. It protects the estate, it reduces your personal stress, and it gives you clarity when the unknowns pop up. That bank account that you had no idea about. And here are three things I would avoid during your first 30 days. Number one, don't try to create the perfect filing system. You can improve it later. You've organized one pile at a time, a stack for statements, a stack for bills, a stack for the tax accountant, and then a stack for, I'm not sure yet, or I don't know. Number two, don't leave anything in the email box. Important documents need a home. Print it out or move it to the digital file. And number three, don't wait until you're completely overwhelmed. Start with what you have right in front of you now, that stack of unopened mail. It's a scary stack of unopened mail. One statement, one account, one question at a time. You've got this.